evanescent sigh, in astral tapestry or sepulchral lie, doth quintessence throb in abyssal shade, or culminate from Agon's fierce cascade?
When gales assail the animus bastion stern,
is input etched in firmaments return. To be or not to be in twilight's thrall, do we need more education after all? Shadows weave our riddles pure and small, where innocence questions the endless call.
Hypostasis by celestial hammer hewn, or phantasmagoric subjects loon, doth actuality surmount perceptual thrall, or fluxings of history's protein hall?
If tropes enshroud the ineffable kernel, what lodestar Morse can semblance his journal?
To be or not to be in twilight's thrall, more education after all. Shadows weave our riddles pure and small, where innocence questions the endless call.
An umbral simulacrum sans corporeal end, or amalgam in monadic suture tight, where cogency and clay in unison unite. If schism rends the new sphere's domain, what viaduct or air ontological bay?
To be or not to be in twilight's thrall,
celestial lacuna, to a Finian nice convene, or monadic exile, our sidereal spleen, doth Empyrean burgeon with sapient swarms, or reverberate void with solipsistic storms. If antinomicheers our sidereal probe, what murmuration haunts the cosmic robe?
To be or not to be in twilight's thrall, do we need more education after all? Shadows weave our riddles pure and small, where innocence questions the endless call. Do we need more education after all? Shadows weave our riddles pure and small, where innocence questions the